I tricked her into thinking that the sweet potatoes, we had a really great harvest. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna dig out potatoes.
You excited?
We're gonna dig out sweet potatoes, yay!
Okay. So what we're gonna do is cut off all these leaves first and save them for our tortoises to eat, huh?
Horses like to eat leaves.
They love to eat leaves.
They love it better than a pumpkin.
They like pumpkins too.
They like cactuses too, right?
Yeah. Okay, so let's just take our little knife here. Oh my gosh, look at all these little tiny flies. There are like hundreds, thousands of gnats breeding in this soil. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there used to be a ton of crickets that were breeding in here. Now it looks like the flies have taken over and kicked the crickets out. That is disgusting.
Yeah, it's like there's a tons. We should have had a fly snapper, right? Yeah, it's like there's 100,000,000,000 of them.
Of what?
Of the flies.
Ew, huh?
Yeah.
Let's keep working. Ooh, I already see something. I'm nervous. I don't know if these are going to be very big or good. Let's see. What do you think?
Well, we're gonna pull that potato out.
I think what I want to do is cut all these off, and then we'll dump them all out so we can see them all at once. What do you think?
Yeah, but make sure to clean it up.
Oh my gosh, these flies.
They have eaten the potatoes.
I think they're eating the soil. Ooh, there's a baby one. Look at how small it is.
He's so tiny. I wish I could eat
Oh, a cockroach.
a dead one.
No, a baby one. Oh, nasty. Bugs love this moist soil. That's where they lay their eggs. And then their babies stay in here until they can get out. Oh my gosh. How did we get earthworms in this soil? This is just Home Depot soil. Does their soil come with little earthworms in it? Look at those.
I can see him.
Look at those little earthworms.
Oh.
Maybe we'll find a bunch of earthworms. I don't know.
I think 1,000 earthworms.
You think there's 1,000 earthworms in here?
Yes.
I think there's 1,000 tiny flies crawling around. They're not flying yet, but they're just everywhere. And baby crickets.
Do you see any?
Yes, right there's one. There's some more. Okay, here's another baby one.
Ooh, these are so tiny.
Okay, I'm gonna dump it.
Okay, right there.
Yeah.
Dump it right there where all the dirt specks are.
In the dirt?
No, in the dirt specks.
Do you think they're gonna be big ones or tiny ones?
big ones.
Ooh, there's a big cricket.
Whoa!
Okay, what do you think?
Yes. What? That's it? No more potatoes?
You gotta bust this up and make sure there's lots of little roots. Did they make any big potato roots or not? Oh no. Oh no, Calvin.
What?
There's none. What happened? Oh my goodness.
The bugs have been eating the potatoes.
There's a little one. What did we do wrong?
I think some.
Here's a little one.
I think there's just little ones. What? Yeah, what did we do wrong?
Here, there's one.
Oh, it's a big one, right?
Kind of not.
It's a fat one, though.
It's fat, but it's not big like the ones at the store.
I think
I thought we were gonna have so many. The leaves did so good, and they just kept growing.
tiny one. Oh, I found one.
Good job. How are you finding all those little ones? I can't find any.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm trying with the potato.
I thought we were gonna eat them.
We are.
Well, what if you rub them all away?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yes.
That was the most epic sweet potato harvest ever.
Epic fail.
What do you think?
What do you think of what?
Her sweet potatoes.
Good. They're looking good.
Do you think it's enough for dinner?
No, because there's only 7.
Alright, so we were looking in the fish pond right here, and I saw a new kind of fish, like a new variation. I bought like guppies, I bought mollies, and platies. I just bought a bunch, and I thought I'll just let them breed and see what happens, see if I get any cool mutations or different genetics that come out, and it's really cool. There's like one that has a really long point coming off the end of the tail. So we are going to try to catch it and show you guys. Oh, can you see him? I keep seeing him.
I think it's that one right there.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
What is what?
Oh my gosh, I thought that was a big snail.
What is it?
It's a grape that your sister put in there. There he is. I see him. Can you guys see him? Ah, the reflection is too bad. We gotta catch him, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dead one. One of the fish died. Let's get him out.
Wait, with the jar, okay?
Will you get that jar?
That's the one you washed.
Do you guys see him down at the bottom of that filter?
The dead one?
Yeah, do you see him? Oh, there's a snail eating him. Oh, another guppy just took a bite of him.
That's gonna be a poor fish, right?
Poor fish.
Because it died.
Yeah. Like poor fish. Yeah, he's right here. I gotta just use my hand, Calvin.
Well, why if you get blood on you?
No blood. Focus. Ew. What do you think about that?
Ew.
Look what else I found.
What? Another dead fish? Another grape?
How many grapes did you put in there?
I think a ton.
We gotta get rid of this dead fish.
Where is it? Where is it?
Right here. Where'd he go?
There we go.
He's buried. Okay, we gotta catch him, Calvin. I see him. Gotta be. Oh, he's getting real scared. Ooh.
Bubbles? Why? Because there's bubble making?
Okay. I gotta be very. I wish I had a fish net. Okay. I can't catch him with one hand, so we're gonna get a tripod. Oh, shoot, step on the potatoes. We're gonna get a tripod so I can try to catch him and you guys can watch. Ready?
Yeah, ready?
I see him. We gave up for now on catching the swordtail looking platy. I think that's what they're called. The water's just too cloudy. I need to get a fish net. I can't catch him with these cups and jars. He's too scared of me, so we are gonna either do it another day or wait till the water clears, go to the pet store, which is just right a mile down from our house. We're gonna go get a fish net, come back and catch him and bring you guys to see, because he's cool looking. I see him in there, but you can't. I've tricked her into thinking that the sweet potatoes, we had a really great harvest. She's coming in the door like right now, so we're gonna surprise her and trick her and see what she says, okay? See her reaction. Okay, Calvin has the sweet potatoes.
Surprise!
Oh my gosh, they're so cool!
I have a fat one.
They're so tiny. We didn't get any at all.
They're so cool. Hey, that's still growing. That's still growth, right?
I can try to eat one.
No, don't.
Let's see Mom's reaction. Let's time out. Let's shut the door.
No! It's for dinner, Mom.
Oh, this is for dinner?
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be our dinner.
Okay, this is Calvin's dinner. Hold on to that.